Ngibonga uNkulunkulu ngangiphe kona.
When I advise I go to a lady for the situation you're going and a hamburger, which one should a lady go to? As her bigger sister.
Mawelele.
And next to a lady feds who how do you deal with that as a sister?
Hey,
What is up, ladies? My name is Kanye Miles. Can you see the more kids? Child. Ngiphethe usiskana ladies sisinontongozom Kizzy.
Hello.
How are you?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila siswami. Ne voice yakho sounds very much like uliyakana lady, you know? Awufuna ushahla mina nginotes mhlambe?
Ngibonga uNkulunkulu ngangiphe kona.
Uyayizwa nje. So we're celebrating una lady banomawelele. They reached multi-platinum for Romeo and Juliet. Anything you'd like to say to her?
I'm so proud of you guys. I'm so proud of you. I think I'm not a person of many words, so
Yeah. Anything you'd like to say to Mawelele? Words of Mawelele? No. Una lady as her bigger sister.
Mawelele.
Actually, speaking of lady too, when I advise I go to a lady for the situation you're going and a hamburger, which one should a lady go to?
Akakushiye vele
Akushiye
nje
nje.
mncane
Phansi
akasebenzi.
konke nje.
Akakushiye
phansi.
amagwinya amabheka anakumsebenzi.
Anakumsebenzi
Please.
kuphela ne. La lady I hope uzwile. And next to una lady fethu uyahlupha. How do you deal with that as a sister?
Hey, udinga ukuthi umbezelele ubuye ube nokuthula kancane uhlehlele kuyena uphinde ubuyele kuyena.
Ne.
Yeah.
No, siyakuzwa sisam. Can you please give a shout out to Yana Lyrics?
Shout out to Yano Lyrics. Love you so much. Aba.
Thank you. Siyabonga.